Hey, this is Blake here at FTD Customs. Today I'm going to be going over our 21-inch Mystic wheel for 2000 all the way to 2023 Harley Davidson touring bikes. So what you see here is our 21-inch Mystic. This one in particular is our all-black powder-coated finish. This one does include our 3D polished floating rotors, which is what you see here. We don't offer a matching rotor. We discontinued those several years ago. The reason being is really you can see through the entire wheel with the polished rotor, and it floats, so it works. It's much better mechanically and works exactly like the 14 and up stock rotors from most of your Harley touring bikes. These can be set up for any bike from 2000 all the way to 2023 for any touring models, so Road Glide, Street Glide, Electric Glide, Road King, etc. We have several other compatibility options as far as fat boys, soft tails, etc. I'd just probably call in and ask about that. So if you're going to get a tire, they're going to come mounted and balanced just like you see here. They are internally balanced with Dynabeads, so you'll never have any weights or anything like that on them. All of our wheels are compatible with the TPMS system in the newer Harley Davidsons. The valve stem is still going to look like this. It is not going to look like the stock valve stem. We have a separate video on our website on how to install that if you're doing it yourself, or we can do it for you. All of our wheels are all completely American made, American forged, and machined in our shop here in Hendersonville, Tennessee. Lifetime warranty on everything that we do. Guaranteed to work how it should always. If there's ever a problem, just give us a call. I think that pretty much covers anything. If there's anything I missed, please don't hesitate to call or send us an email, and I'll be sure to answer any questions you might have.